guys, right now I'm here in the Dubai Festival City Mall, aka the BFC Mall. There's apparently a Diwali festival going on here. So today I'll just take you guys there. I'll have some fun. And yeah, I'm right here, guys. Now I'll see you guys when something interesting happens. Bye. So guys, I'm here at the Diwali festival, guys. It's really pretty. Guys, look at these elephants. Guys, look at these elephants. The eyes, the colors are so pretty. There are many more elephants. For example, this one. It's like a forest theme. And my favorite elephant is definitely this one. It's like an ocean one, and there are many. I'll show you the king elephant. It's sort of like a crown and everything. Guys, look at this one. Guys, it even has wings on. So guys, I'm here at the festival. There was a light show going on before. I made a video on it, and yeah. So guys, this is the festival. That's the door of the restaurants here. And guys, these are some carnival, like there's some like stalls of food stalls and stuff. This is the yoga thingy. I did not participate, it was boring. And these are all the elephants. This one is a Chinese one, I think. So guys, right now I'm really thirsty and I do not want to die of hotness. It's really hot. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I'm here at Baskin-Robbins. As you can see, the Diwali festival is really good, but it was really hot. So now I came to Baskin-Robbins for ice cream and I'm just waiting for my order. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I got my ice cream. I got cookies and cream. It's really good. And now guys, I'm just going to wait here, have my ice cream and then go home. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!